Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is my first voiceover for a video, so please excuse how messy it's going to be, but in this video I'm organising my GCSE and A-level work from the past year and a half into folders because I don't need them anymore. Most of my A-level work is now deemed useless because I'm dropping down a year and restarting at a new sixth form, so all of my subjects and the subject matter is going to be all different, and I've already sat my GCSEs. So here I'm just flicking through the different subjects and all the work for each of them. So this is GCSE history, this is GCSE music, which is very lacking. This is all of my GCSE science, so triple science. Here's GCSE French and my French speaking, English literature, the mind maps, the poetry anthology, which was just really pretty to look through. And this is A-level English Lit, A-level psychology, and here I am putting it all into the folders. So it doesn't look very organised, but I promise there was a system to how I did it. But I was limiting myself to 3 Muji folders to put all the work into, so I was organising them based on which subjects were the largest. For example, A-level history had an entire folder to itself, but some of the subjects like GCSE French and music were really small, so they went in with a mix of other subjects. Anyway, here's an overview of the folders. This is a short video, but if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Bye!